Alright, what's up guys? MustangMatt here again, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys what's getting done next on the project on the Mustang. Basically in this box I have subframe connectors, which is like one of the top mods that people say to put on the Fox bodies because they're just crazy, the amount of body twist, I guess, and because it's a unibody, it doesn't have a lot of support underneath, and these, they say, really help. These ones are the Steeda, I believe is how you say it, the Steeda subframe connectors. They also come with these torsion or torque box plates right there, and seat braces right there. So those will go under the seat, and then those will support the torque box, and that all welds up underneath. I'm taking it over right now to a buddy, or a guy I should say, that's going to weld it up. I'll put a link in the description with all his info, and I'm not sure if he has a website yet, but he does a lot of welding on crawlers, and he's built some cages. He's probably going to build the cage for the car too, but for now I'm just having him do this. So I'm getting ready to take this all over there, and then I'll show you guys probably once it's all done, and once he's all finished I'll probably pick it up in 2 days or something like that. But yeah, that's what's happening. Stay tuned for when I get them finished and put on. Should be I might make a video on, I was going to try to make a video on the difference before and after, doing some launches and stuff, but I don't think I'll have time to do that. So probably just make a video after, and my reaction to them, what I think, if there's any handling differences and that kind of thing. But yeah. All right, what's up guys? So basically I wanted to give you guys an update of what I was doing. This will be like part 2, or actually I'll probably just be at the end of the painting the wheels video. You guys probably, if you haven't seen that, go check it out. Or actually it's probably going to be in the video, so I'm not sure yet because I haven't edited it. But anyways, I finally got underneath painted. The subframe connectors basically up underneath here I got painted. I'm gonna need to get more light in here, hold on. But yeah, basically that's what I was working on the other night, and just didn't really get the chance to film it or anything like that. But basically you can kind of see where I masked off and accidentally oversprayed, but whole subframe connector on both sides. Let me go around, show you a little bit better view. That's the paint that I used, if anyone's wondering, not that. Let me get a better shot here. Duplicolor, it's like, it's not truck bed coating like you think. It's more smooth. It doesn't have like a real rough like liner on an actual truck. It's more of just like a spray version, so it's not as good. But as you can see here, we got everything painted. Seat back, it's all painted up. You can kind of see the difference right here. But all that's painted. Boom. I didn't want to do all of it because a lot of this is still greasy like that. That part's all gross. That's literally grease from the engine leaking for so long. But both sides are done, and yeah, it's kind of hard to film under here, but they both turned out good. Hopefully it stays a lot longer than the paint in my car, because some of this was chipping off in my car on the floor pan. Not sure how many coats the guy put on it, but this stuff I did about 3 coats of. It sets up really quick, so that's the cool part. But yeah, so thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Now those aren't gonna rust, hopefully, over the winter. I'm probably gonna release a little update video. There's the wheels. A little update video on the plans for the project. But yeah, thanks for watching, and leave a comment down below if you like the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe.